How to transfer money on Bank of Montreal. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Bank of Montreal app. If not, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, launch it, you will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your account's credentials to log into your account. Provide your credentials, user ID and password and click on sign in. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Over there, you're going to find different options. Tap on Pay and Transfer tab located at the bottom of the screen. You will see 4 different options. Tap on the first one, Transfer. To make a transfer, first select the account from which you will be transferring your money. For this example, I'll transfer money from my saving account. Next, select the account to which you want to deposit the money. In my case, it will be checking account. So I'm sending money from saving account to my checking account. Now enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, select the date and frequency for the transfer. Once you are okay with all the details, tap on Continue. And there you have it. That is how you transfer money on your Bank of Montreal account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.